Okay, this video is going to show you how to go about adding a new post to your site. So in the dashboard, from the dashboard, you can go to the posts area over here, and you can say add new, and you can give it a title, and then down here you can either just type directly here, and you can format this. There's a formatter right here, which actually will, let me show you this first. Sometimes when you open this, maybe just the top line shows, and so if you hit this thing here, that will toggle you between showing the entire, this first little thing up here, it's very small, will just show one, and then if you click it, it'll show both lines. And so this formatting thing is here. If I wanted to have if I wanted to go up here and have a header for this, I can click on this formatting thing. I can change it to a heading 1. It'll be there. If I wanted a subheader, I could do the same thing. Highlight it, go here, type heading 2. The headings go all the way down to, I think, 6. Yeah. And I can also just format a regular paragraph, an address, which is kind of an italicized. I could also put something in a pre-formatted mode, meaning don't format it. And maybe have a table or something that you want to maintain the formatting of. So this is how you would go about just typing directly into the document. However, a lot of times when people are writing articles or blog posts or whatever, they'll actually have something on their drive that they've already created, a document, Word document. And so in that case, what I want to show you is, I'll just go get one. Let's see. Let's see, I know someone sent me something yesterday. Here we go. So I'm going to open up this this document, hardship letter tips. And so this is a Word document. It has a little bit of formatting. It doesn't have any fancy stuff. It's just bold and paragraphs. But if I were to take this whole thing and then copy it into my clipboard, which you can do with Control-C on a PC or Apple Sign-C on a Mac. So it's on my clipboard now. And then if I minimize that screen, let me minimize that, let me minimize this. Sorry, got all these screens open here. And if I take this, boy, I have a lot of screens open, sorry. If I take this and I just decide I'm going to paste it into this document here, what I want to do is remember to use this W. This W is letting you import a Word document. So it says paste from Word. I want to click that because that will strip out the word formatting. If you don't strip out the word formatting when you paste something in, and you paste it in by just doing Control-V, if you don't strip it out, then it will have a bunch of code in there that could kind of mess up your site. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to hit Insert, and that whole thing is going to be copied in. And again, I could go in and I could say, okay, that was just bolded. I want this to be a heading, and then I want this to be a subheading. And, maybe I want, well, this is already italicized. Let's say that I actually want to bold it. So this formatting is very similar to Word document formatting. So anyway, that's what you're going to do in terms of pulling those in. If you have just a text document, you can simply hit the T button, and that will open another window, and you can post your text document in there. Okay? So that's how you import Word documents and how you format them. Now, notice that up here it says uncategorized. If I wanted to create a new category for a new post that I create, then I could go over to the categories area over here, and I'll page down a little bit, and I can click add new category. I could put a new category name in, hardship letters, like you would ever have that on your site, but I could add it, and that'll pop up here, and it'll be checked. In the beginning, this will still say uncategorized. I could notice that it has the title. Title is title. It comes from this line. But if I say publish, then what will happen is it will then take on that category name that we just added. So this will show your website, your category name, and then the title of your article. So you can also change this if you want to, so that it doesn't match what's up there. You can do whatever you want with this, but it typically will take whatever you type into the title line and have it there. And so what you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to continue to write articles, and you're going to add them into the post area. You'll then determine, okay, what category does this go in? Maybe you have, I created this transformation category over here, but maybe you have, some that are different life skills or whatever. Confidence builders. I have no idea what your categories might be, but you just go over here and add the categories. And then when someone comes to your site, they'll actually be able to search by category. If we were to visit your site right now, we don't have the categories listed because you only have one article. But what we can do is we can list the articles, list the categories so that they have them. If we click on the Articles tab, you're going to see these two. And they're the first one, the last article you write will be at the top, and then the next article will be there. And don't worry, I'm going to get rid of this. So that is, that's basically how you add a post to your site. Let me see if there's anything else there that I want to show you. I have another video on how to add images to an article. You can tag things as well. People could search on your site for a certain tag. You could say something has to do with transformation or confidence or self-esteem or whatever, and they could search for that. And I guess the other thing I want to show you in here is a link. So let me go back to that post that I just added. It's right here. I'm going to edit it. And if I wanted to make this a link to another site, let's see, actually, let's just pick another word that's not already highlighted. Let's say I wanted this word attachments to be a link to another page or another site or something. This is the link command right here. Sorry, my phone is ringing. So you can just click the link command, and then here you could put another site, whatever you wanted it to be. We'll just choose another client's page here, and you could say insert. And so see how this is a different color now, and it's underlined. If we were to update this post, and then we go view it, you can see that this is a clickable link now. And if I clicked on that, it's going to take me to somebody else's page that's not found. That's very interesting. Got a little error on that page, it looks like. But it'll take you to some other page. Okay? So that's how you insert a link. I think that's about it. So I'm going to stop this video now, and I will go ahead and clean this up and take it off your site.